Hello everyone, welcome to my daily blog. So I'm using Miss Nails glitter nail polish remover. So in this video I'll show you how we can easily remove the glitter nail polishes, which is very hard to remove it from the normal nail polish remover. So I'm using Miss Nails glitter nail polish remover, and it's not so costly. It's like in genuine price. So you can see that the moment I'm trying to use this nail polish remover, it's getting removed very quickly. And same way, if I try to I'll try another normal nail polish remover as well, and you can see the difference. So you can see that it's not taking time to remove this glitter. Otherwise it's very difficult to remove the glitters from nail polishes, from nails. So this is the Lakme nail polish remover. I'm trying to use it, and you can see that it's not so effective because it's normal nail polish remover. So you can see that it's like completely removed properly without any traces. Yeah, a little bit traces are there, but I'm in hurry, so I'm going to use nail polish directly. I am not going to do any kind of manicure right now. I'll just put it directly because I don't have time. I have to go somewhere. So now I'm going to bring this nail polish. I'll apply the base coat. Basically, it is no used as base as well as top coat. So this gives nails strength, and your nails will not get damaged. But you can see that my nails are not good because I was not using it earlier. But now I'm trying to make it in heavy. So hope it will get fixed soon. So what I have already applied the nail polish, the transparent one. Now I'm going to, this is the new color from Sugar Pop, and I'll use the glitter also. So this is the number 14. I really like this color. It's not so dark, but it's like normal color. It's looking good. So I'm applying nail polish on this. So you can see that how beautiful this color is looking. So now on one nail, I'll apply this glitter one just to give some extra add on. So I'm using this glitter nails polish. So you can see that, yeah, I know I have just left some sides. I've not used the nail polish because I don't want to use it till there, because as we are using the nail polish, I'm using nail polish regularly, so just to avoid any kind of side effects, I'm not using till the corner. So because it's my natural nail, so I don't want to use the nail polish completely on my nails. So please like and subscribe, and